Welcome to my channel. Extender Red Ubiquiti U6 Extender. Take out the device from the box along with the power adapter and any included documentation. Ensure all parts are present and undamaged. Plug the U6 Extender into a power outlet near your existing Wi-Fi network. The LED should start blinking, indicating that the device is powering up. Use the Wi-Fi Network mobile app or access your Wi-Fi controller via a web browser. The U6 Extender should appear under the Devices section in the Wi-Fi controller as a new device waiting for adoption. Click on the Adopt button to start the setup process. If the firmware is outdated, the controller will prompt you to update. Click Update and wait for the process to complete, which may take a few minutes. Assign a name to the device for easy identification, e.g., Living Room Extender. Make any necessary adjustments like channel settings or SSID configurations. Once configured, unplug the extender and move it to the desired location where you need extended coverage. Ensure it's within the signal range of your main Wi-Fi access point. Plug the extender back in at the new location. The LED should turn steady white, indicating a stable connection. Use the Wi-Fi Network app to check signal strength and coverage. Thank you for watching.